Good morning students. Today we will start chapter number 3, understanding quadrilateral. Okay, before starting this chapter, try to understand what is the meaning of quadrilateral. QUAD, quad. Quad means 4 and lateral means sides. Any figure that is made up of 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Okay, now first your part is polygon. What is polygon? A closed figure, any closed figure made up of line segment is called polygon. Any figure, any number of sides, but it must be made up of line segment, that is called polygon. Now classification of polygon, already you have learned this classification in your previous classes. Triangle, triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segment having 3 angles and 3 sides. Same way quadrilateral, a closed figure bounded by 4 line segment is called quadrilateral, and 4 line means 4 angle will be there. Pentagon, pentagon 5 sided figure, a closed figure bounded by 5 line segment is called pentagon, and pentagon 5 sides are there, so 5 angles. Hexagon, hexa means 6, any closed figure made up of 6 line segment is called hexagon, and 6 sides are there, so there will be 6 angles also. Heptagon, heptagon means 7 sided figure, a figure that is made by 7 line segment is called heptagon, and in 7 line segments you will get 7 angles. Octagon 8 sided figure, nonagon 9 sided figure, and decagon 10 sided figure, a closed figure made up of 10 line segments and having 10 angles is called decagon. Now what is diagonals? A diagonal is a line segment. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. What is diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. You can see in the figure. Okay, this is definition of diagonals. Okay students, now next part, convex and concave polygons. I have drawn some examples. These are the example of convex polygon and these are the example of concave polygon. But how you will remember? In convex polygon, you can make your diagonals internally. Okay, in convex polygon, you cannot form, you cannot make, you cannot draw your diagonals externally, only internally. You can draw diagonals internally. This is called convex polygon. Okay, same way, when you cannot draw your diagonals internally but externally, बाहर की साइड से, जब आप बाहर की साइड से डायगोनल्स बनाते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन. हियर यू कैन मेक योर डायगोनल्स एक्सटर्नली, बट इन कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन यू कैन नॉट मेक योर डायगोनल्स एक्सटर्नली. दिस आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कॉनकेव एंड कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन. नाउ वी विल कम टू रेगुलर एंड इर्रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. सो व्हाट इज रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? अ क्लोज्ड फिगर having equal sides and equal angles. When all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, a closed figure which is equiangular and equilateral is called regular polygon. For example, square. Suppose I made square. You know, all the sides of a square are same, equal, and all the angles measure is also equal. So you can say it is equiangular as well as equilateral. When both the conditions are satisfied, then it is called regular polygon. And what is irregular polygon? Take one example. I have taken one rectangle. You know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and all the angles measure 90 degree. You can say it is equiangular but not equilateral. It is equiangular but not equilateral. Angles are same, equal, but sides are, all the four sides are not equal. So this is an example of irregular polygon. This is regular polygon, equiangular plus equilateral. Remember these two words, okay? And irregular polygon when any of the two is not same. Angles are equal but sides are not equal. Okay? Next I will explain how to find number of diagonals. How can you find the number of diagonals in any polygon? Okay? To find the number of diagonals, there is one formula. n minus 3 divided by 2. This is formula to find number of diagonals. You can find number of diagonals for any polygon. So first of all, suppose if I take one triangle. Okay? Here n stands for number of sides. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. In place of n, put 3. Because 3 sides are there. And solve this. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 multiplied by 3. 0 upon 2. When you divide 0, you will get 0 only. So you know that you cannot draw any diagonals in a triangle. Take one another example. Suppose I am taking pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. Sometimes becomes very difficult to draw diagonals in a big polygon. For example, decagon, 10 sides are there. So it will become very difficult for you to draw diagonals. So with the help of this formula, you can find the number of diagonals. Same formula, n minus 3 upon 2. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 minus 3 divided by 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 divided by 2. So you will get 5 diagonals. You can count from here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many diagonals are there? 5. Same way you can find for hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay. Now angle sum. What is angle sum? First, remember the formula. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay. So suppose if I have taken triangle. Angle sum means what is the sum of all the angles of a triangle? What is the sum of all the angles of a triangle? Simply you can use this formula. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So n means number of sides. Again triangle, 3 sides are there. 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by 180, 180. And you all know that angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Suppose I am taking here hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay. So how many angles are there? 6. So what is the sum of all the 6 interior angles of a hexagon? Use this formula. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. N means number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 180 degree. And 18 4 the 72. 720 degree. By using this formula, n minus 3 upon 2, you can find the number of diagonals for any polygon. And by using this formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree, you can find the angle sum of any polygon. And at last, remember one property, exterior angle property. Exterior angle. The sum of exterior angle for any polygon, whether it is triangle, square, any quadrilateral, hexagon, pentagon, it is fixed. The angle sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Okay.